so unusual that I just had to have him on our show. Please welcome Mr. Jim Bailey. It is such a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you, Carol.
First, I want to explain what Jim does. He does impressions of some of our greatest stars, and I wanted to ask you how you started doing these impressions.
Well, today I think it takes more than just to be a singer. You have to have something else going for you.
Yeah.
And some kind of a gimmick. So I decided to put a couple of impressions in my show, and they went over so well that I gradually added more and more.
And each one of them is better than the next. And Jim not only talks and sings like them, but he actually looks like them. Come on, show you. Now, this one looks like Phyllis Diller, but it's not. It's Jim. Would you give us a sample of your Phyllis Diller voice?
All right. Do you love my hair? I was teasing it the other day, and it bit me. Oh, my God, my comb is so old, it has false teeth.
So close, I bet Fame can't tell the difference. Come on to this one. I saw Jim do Judy Garland in Las Vegas, and it was absolutely fantastic. And here's Jim as the wonderful Judy. Would you do a little bit of Judy for us?
All right. You made me love you. I didn't want to do it. You made me love you, and all the time you knew it. I guess you always knew it.
Now you're going to see something really unbelievable. Through the magic of television and 2 hours in the makeup room, here is Jim Bailey as this great star. You're not going to believe it.
Don't tell me not to live the certain path. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of fun. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly. I simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I'll march my band out. I'll beat my drum. And if I'm found out, you'll turn up that, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. I guess I didn't make it, but whether I'm a rose of sheer perfection, a freckle on the nose of life's complexion, a cinder of a shiny apple of its eye, I gotta fly once, I gotta cry once, only can die once, right, sir? Ooh, life is juicy, juicy, and you see, I gotta have my butt, sir. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. I'm gonna live and live now. What I want, I know how. One roll for the whole shebang. One throw, that bell will go clang. I own the target and wham. One shot, one gun shot, and bam! Hey, gorgeous, here we go again. I'm marching my band out and don't miss my drum. And if I'm found out, you'll turn up that, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. I guess I didn't make it. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer. Nobody, no,